Second part of this section talks about a contract, not an agreement. A contract to do an act which becomes impossible after the contract is made, becomes void when the act becomes impossible. We are talking of a situation where the promised act, you will recall that in every agreement there is a promise by the promiser and consideration by the promisee or somebody on his behalf. So in every contract there is a promise. If the promised act was possible at the time when the promise was made, but it becomes impossible at a later time, then though the agreement was a contract to begin with, this contract becomes void at the stage when the promised act becomes impossible. We'll see an illustration. A and B contract to marry each other. So A promises to marry B and B promises to marry A. Promise. Now before the time fixed for marriage, A goes mad. Now this promise to marry cannot now be fulfilled, and therefore, though originally the promise was a possible act, but now it has become impossible and the contract now becomes void.